How to add order bump in Clickfunnels. Adding order bumps can help sellers optimize their sales funnels, boost revenue, and improve the shopping experience for their customers, making it a crucial component of a successful funnel. Here, I'll show you how to do it. First things first, we're going to go to our funnels. And in here, I'm going to try to open this particular funnel, the landing page. So there's a tutorial for this in the channel. I hope you're going to check it out. Now that I'm here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you a preview first of how this looks. So basically, they'll be able to schedule a consultation with me after they are going to click this one. And then I'm going to close this. What we are going to do is we're going to add a specific product in here. So I'm going to click this one. So I'm going to add this order page first, and I'm going to choose this 3-step expanding form and then create page. And then I'm going to add products, click add product. All right, and then this one, mastering the art of losing weight with minimal exercise. So this is the product, say for example. So I'm going to click this one, and now they're here. All right, now the next thing that we are going to do is we're going to add another page. This time it will be different. So we're going to choose OTO or one-time offer. And then this time I'm just going to say, for example, choose this one. All right, and then I'm going to click create page. And then from here, this is where we're going to put our one-time offer or our order bump. So I'm going to click this one and then add a product. So earlier I have created a product which I have called an order bump. So say for example, this is my order bump. So I'm going to select this one. And then we're going to turn this into an order bump by clicking the settings and then going to check this one. So it says here product is an order bump. So I'm going to check this one. There you go. And bumpery headline, you can write here anything. So basically, say for example, what I'm going to do is order bump test 1 headline. Okay, something like that. And then if you click availability and prices, you will be able to see it here, order bump. And then title override, so you can it's up to you what you're going to put. So say for example, order bump OTO, and description, of course. After that one, I'm going to click update included product. All right, there you go. So now I have added an order bump in my next page. So yes, that's how you're going to add order bump in Clickfunnels in 2023. Once again, if you are interested in trying Clickfunnels, I suggest you hit that link in the description box below to get yourself 2 weeks worth of free trial. And as always, please subscribe to the channel and leave this video a like if this helps you out.